You ever get that feeling of FOMO, man, when you start seeing the market react in a positive way? You start seeing all those green candles and you like, man, I don't want to miss out. But family, let's just talk about it, man. Let's just talk about why you're supposed to be patient, especially in a bear market. Opportunities will present themselves. Just got to be a little patient. So first and foremost, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Now, what I've been doing, family, is I've just been looking at these this top 100 list. You feel me? And just putting my narratives together, whether it be storage coins, whether it be layer ones, layer twos, gaming, metaverse, just really consolidating my portfolio and understanding, you feel me, how to build a portfolio that it's just a winning. So it's not saying you got to have 30 or 50 different coins, and it's not saying you got to have all your money in just one, but it's a good diversity, you feel me, that can lead to a pretty high performance portfolio. Now, I'm saying that to say this because, for instance, let me give you an example. Let's say you're investing 1,000 into the bear market, and then that 1,000 10x's or even 100x's. You can potentially turn $1,000 into that $10,000 or even $100,000. In some cases, family, if you pick some of the right small caps, a whole milli. So at the end of the day, man, this is the time we need to have those laser eyes. You see those pictures in you with those laser eyes, and you're like, man, what was this? This is where the laser eyes are birthed and spawned, man. So just take your time and have patience, but really do your research and do your due diligence on some of these projects. But let's get into some of the news. I saw an interesting chart from Crypto. Now, this is a yearly chart. Now, I know a lot of people don't focus on the yearly chart. They mostly focus on lower time frames, maybe 4 hours, a whole day, sometimes weekly. But you can see here from the yearly chart, look at the last a few years of Bitcoin. You get that red year, and then you get three white soldiers. You feel me? 3 good years in a row. Then you get that red year. Then you get 3 right soldiers, 3 good years in a row. Well, family, we're at the point where we're closing out on that red year, and everybody is expecting 3 strong years in a row. I just thought that was interesting. I wanted to share that with the family as we go through so much contagion within the market, crypto market, man. And you got to understand that, for instance, like Mike Novogratz, and he's a billionaire, you feel me, and he was scammed on multiple occasions within this bear market, from Terra Luna to FTX. So, you know, give some of these hedge funds, some of these institutions, give some of these millionaires and billionaires time to recoup, family, time to gain confidence in the space again, because they aren't going anywhere. You feel me? One thing about these big dogs in the space is they like to make money, and the opportunity is here. Yeah. We love the technology. We all love the technology, but we all know if you want to 10x, 50x, 100x your money, where's the quickest way you can do it? Where everybody flock to when they want to do that? The crypto space. So the adoption, family, is happening before our eyes. It is coming. It will continue to come, and you need to have faith in your ability to not just, you know, shell out millions or thousands of dollars to crypto, but just your faith and ability to believe in what you believe in. All right, so moving on along, I found it interesting because I've been talking to a lot of people around me. I've been talking to a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, within my inner circle. And you know, when I go to these barbershops and I hear some of the, you know how a barbershop conversation is. You hear different conversations from hardworking people that's entrepreneurs, mothers, and for the most part, I've been seeing a lot of people complaining about their credit card bills, not having enough money, trying to figure out if they want to pay these bills or just have the capital for holidays. So I'm saying that to say this: a lot of people are struggling right now. So you won't see those large wick candles until retail get right. Retail got to get right back right, family. In the last documented quarter, Q2 2022, the portion of overdue charge cards accounts have gradually returned 1.8%. So that's a rise in people owing on their credit card bills. People like, look, man, yeah, I ain't trying to pay that right now. So they got to catch up with that. Well, I'm talking about average retail. And let me know in the comments, man, are you behind on your bills? Are you struggling to make ends meet? Or are you one of those people that got it. You're just waiting for the final leg down, and you're waiting to invest into this capitulation moment. Now, December 14th, we do have the Fed decision. And what it's going to be, family, it's going to be 0.75, 0.50, 0.25. Most people think 0.50. Most people think we will finally get a little easing on the Fed rate hikes, as you've been seeing the market start to respond. It's been very, very, very bipolar and volatile. You feel me? A lot of altcoins are going crazy right now. Bitcoin is very stable, like a stable coin, but we've been seeing different altcoins and different narratives pop, like the Oracle narrative with Chainlink, Band Protocol, and TRB, which is Teller. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. And most importantly, the economy numbers are still strong based on the job report. So that's why you're seeing Bitcoin kind of like stable. But I don't think the altcoins, and for the most part, I don't think the crypto market actually cares at this point. Everybody is really pushing for that crypto rally within the Christmas rally, so we'll just have to see how everything plays out. And again, as I stated about the credit card, the potential credit card capitulation in the credit card market, as you can see here, since the third quarter of 2022, Americans hold $925 billion in charge card financial obligations, which is an increase of $38 billion given Q2. So just think about it. People owe, at a well, everybody, what I'm saying, not just one or two people, but everybody right now, the charge card obligation is up $38 billion within a quarter, family. So that's almost $500 billion. That's insane. You feel me? And man, what are y'all out here doing? Y'all going on them trips, man? Swiping. Y'all going on them trips, man? Y'all still going on those dinner dates, dinner cruises, man? Go to check out the islands, taking flights. People still traveling. People still spending money, which is the problem with the inflation, and the reason that some people think that the Fed might still do a 0.75, because with every good information we get it followed with something that may be potentially bad for the space. So I just thought that was interesting, man. That and I was reading about a lot more numbers out there, but these are the ones that I actually want to show and share with the family. Now, I did find this via TradingView, and I want to kind of like follow up with this negative information with something that's positive. We don't spread fear or FUD over here in this channel. This is just a crypto wrap up for the week. Now, I did state in the beginning of the video that crypto adoption is happening. Okay, so this is via TradingView. You can see here, Wikipedia accepts donations in Bitcoin. Microsoft allows the use of Bitcoin to top up accounts. Burger King, KFC, and Subway accept Bitcoin as payment. There's a few casinos in Las Vegas where customers can exchange Bitcoin for cash to bet on the tables and later convert their winnings into Bitcoin. There are some Bitcoin ATMs, which if you follow me on Twitter, you've seen I've been taking pictures of them every time I run across them, where it is possible to convert a currency into Bitcoin or withdraw Bitcoin from cash in local currencies. And if you are a Crow user, crypto.com is even more easier, because you can transfer your crypto into cash, put it on your crypto.com, and you can use your crypto.com card at every local ATM. And I love that. That's one of the reasons that I'm a fan of Crow, and I will continue to invest into Crow, and I believe it's going to be here from the long term, because they make the user friendly. They make it real. They make the interface real user friendly. You feel me? All I got to do is transfer my cash to my crypto.com card, and I can put it in an ATM and just use it just like any other card. So the adoption, family, is what I want to focus on here. The adoption, family, is happening before our eyes, despite what anybody says, despite what the media is trying to push out there, despite what your best friends, despite what your loved ones think. The technology isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's only getting adopted and at a faster rate. So keep that in mind every time you see some negative stuff about the crypto market. Keep that in mind, family. See here with Solana, there was 11 projects that partnered with Stripe for its fiat to crypto payments on ramp. So more adoption. And if you are a fan of Solana, 11 of those 16 projects were built on Solana. So you got Audius. A lot of people use Audius, especially in your music, etc., etc. And it's just amazing to see a huge company like Stripe, you feel me, announce his fiat to crypto on ramp. Yeah, that's gonna be cool, man. That's gonna be cool. More crypto adoption, more people to be able to use crypto as a payment, and I think for the most part, it's going to just continue to grow. And salute to whoever just subscribed to the channel. You feel me, subscribers? Now, I also want to focus, and bear with me if this is a long one. There is a lot of money still on the sideline. Hedge funds, institutions, and even retail still have a lot of money in stables. If you haven't seen my video on the Ethereum whales, the Shiba whales, I advise you to go check out that video, because we expose wallets and we expose how a lot of these Shiba Inu whales still have big bags on the side in stable coins. So as long as we see this tether dominance over 6%, again, it just is an inverted Bitcoin chart, and it tells you, family, that a lot of people have money on the sides. But it's lately, for the most part, seems to have peaked, as you can see right here, from the double top, and it's just putting in lower lows and lower highs. So right here might be a signal that a lot of people are starting to inject their money into the crypto space, and people are starting to gain that confidence again and invest into their portfolios. And that's what we want to see. We want to see this tether dominance actually go down, because the more money that goes out of tether, the more money goes into the crypto space. So I want to actually keep that on y'all mind, guys. And we're gonna close it out with this, man. Buy great projects and hold for a long time. That's what it's about. It's time to start positioning your portfolio. Hustle, 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 work, work, work. Don't be the pizza guy, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't sell your coins and then eventually it turn into 100 million. You know, this pizza right here cost him $100 million. Can you just imagine spending $100 million on 2 pizzas? That's crazy, ain't it? I know. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunate for him, you know, he looked like he's smiling and he enjoyed it. And it's cool, you feel me? Because he probably still had other investments inside his portfolio. But again, this would definitely hurt and haunt me for life. So I just want to keep that on mind, man. Go hard or go home. You feel me? You know why you're here. Put in that work. Hustle, hustle, hustle. You know what I'm saying? This might be the floor, but we don't know how long we're going to be at the floor. So that's why you can be patient. So that's what we're pushing on this channel and this community, is just be patient, lightly DCA on the way down, and kind of like use this opportunity at the floor as an opportunity for accumulation. There's a lot of good projects, family, on the top 100 for sale right now on clearance, even in the midst of a small relief rally. Wait for some of those pullbacks, man, and do your research, do your due diligence, and grab some of these projects while they're on the low. That was your weekly crypto roundup from your boy Millie. Soap Gods TV. I'm out.